Hey friends, welcome to ifactner.com computer networking tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about computer networking topologies, and the central topic of our discussion would be bus topology. Guys and girls, you can think of a topology as a layout. That is how our computer network is laid out. There can be different kinds of topologies in which your computer network can be laid out. Number one is bus topology. Number two is ring topology. Number three is star topology, and you can also have mesh topology, and these are the four major types of topologies we can use to lay out our networks. Star. So friends, there can be physical topologies. That is how your network is physically laid out, and there can be logical topologies. That is how the traffic is basically the traffic follows certain path to reach to its destination. So but for the sake of simplicity, friends, we will consider that the physical and the logical topology in our example is same. So let's start our discussion about bus technology. As bus, the word bus depicts that it should be a straight line. Therefore, in the bus topology, we have got a straight backbone, and our terminals or our nodes, that is our PC, our laptop, our printer, our server in the network, and our workstation, they are all connected to that main backbone. And in the bus topology, we have got terminators at both the ends. So how does this bus topology works? Let's suppose this computer A would like to send a request to server. So it will send a request, and that request would go everywhere in the network. So it would go to the terminator, and the work of the terminator is to terminate the signal. It would go to our printer, and the printer would say, no, it's not for me. And then the request would go to the laptop, which would also say, it's not for me. Then it would go to our server, and the server would say, yes, it is for me, and I would honor that request. But our traffic would not stop over there. It would still go to all the nodes in the network, and until and unless it reaches the terminator, and this terminator would terminate that traffic or that packet or that signal. So this is how traffic travels in the bus topology. So friends, now do you see the problem that bus topology is not very efficient? And if in the bus topology our one of our terminals goes down, then that packet or those packets or that traffic would not terminate at the end, and it would bounce back, and it would just confuse all other our terminals, and it will create congestion, and our network may go down. And in the bus topology, if our backbone is basically cut in the middle, then these terminals would not be able to communicate with each other. So backbone is if backbone is hurt, then bus topology cannot work. So these are the disadvantages of bus topology, but there are advantages of bus topology as well. The most important one is that it is easy to set up for small computers, for small networks. And number two, that it is cost effective, that we would need just some wires to make a bus topology. But nowadays the physical bus topology is not being used, but still logical bus topology is being used in many scenarios. So thank you very much guys and girls for joining me for this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial and we will discuss about the ring topology. Oh wow, what a beautiful ring. Take care. Bye.